Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, it is February 2nd, Splinterlands update. I am making these videos to recruit people through my affiliate marketing program that they have. I get 5% of the spell book that you buy and 5% of all packs that you buy. Not a whole lot, but it adds up. That comes out of their pocket, not yours. Down below is the links. If you want to try this for free, join up, play for free. But in order to access the money-making aspect side of the platform, you have to purchase the $10 spell book, which is pretty much just an entry fee. And that unlocks everything on the platform for you. Sign up on my link, please, to help me out. It helps me out, and it shows that you appreciate what I've shown you. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to try to make these videos a lot quicker. Anyway, I make money from dark energy crystals, which I'm making from selling my cards or renting them out, and I can win them in battles. Okay, you have to be level 3 to win in battles. Credits you get out of, you can purchase them with a credit card, or you can win it out of the free chest that you get. The SPS I get every day for staking and an airdrop, depending on how much my collection is worth. And that's sitting right now about $20. So my goal is to make $10,000 by the end of the year. I'm at 550, 600, depending on what's going on that day. And I've only been doing it for 3 weeks. So far off to a good start. I did have a $100 card that I pulled out of one of the packs, a gold legendary. So that is 25% of the value right there. So that helps. But anyway, every day you got a quest. And then once you complete it, 24 hours of the next one. This today was Fire Quest with you have to win 5 times. Now I lost a lot in between. It don't matter. But once you get to 5, you can claim your reward. Let's go do that. Sometimes you get a card out of this, and other times you get credits or potions for when you open up a pack. So I always do this before I open my pack. Now I open one daily pack. That's $4. That's going towards my investment. And so I will get 9 credits. So that's how you get credits. So that's done. So now let's go to the open the pack. And pay with credits. There's my SPS that's been staked. I'm getting about 6 a day now. And they're about 12 cents each. It used to be about 25, but they went down like all the crypto did for the last couple of weeks. So let's put the pack in here. Now, if I had any potions, they would be here, and they help you increase your odds of getting a legendary or a gold card or something like that. So now all these cards are NFTs. Okay. That's a good one, even though it can't do any attacks. And there's my rare. So not the greatest of packs, but it will increase my value. And as I hang on to these cards and the value goes up, that's going to put me towards my goal. So let's see. I got 1 rare out of that. This number is the number of mana you use. You can only use so much mana total per battle. And so these ones right here are good because a lot of the time, say it's allowing for this particular battle 20 mana and you got 19, you can fit it in with a 1 card. So the 1 cards are kind of valuable, even though you would think they're not. They also have 0 cards, which that means you can always fill a slot in with those cards all the time. So when you get a hold of a 0 card, they're worth a lot in battle. And this one, every time it's somebody gets I think it's every time that somebody gets attacked, this increases right here. So this is a good blocker card. In other words, they'll concentrate and try to kill this while your other cards do damage. And so that's it for the pack opening today. Let's go look at my rentals. Okay, this is the value of my entire set. Right now, I'm making 106 DEC a day, which is about 60 cents maybe, and that's that. But the difference is that's the max I can have, which means there's a couple cards I got to go in and re-rent out type thing. I'll do that later. My rate of return is 24.5%. The rate of return on my splinter shards is, check this out, 34.29% rate of return on that. And I can claim some of the staking. They do it at 11 o'clock every day Eastern time, where I'll get my additional 6 airdrop coins. And so and now I'll stake it. Every little bit helps. Means you get a little bit more every day. And that also will go towards my $10,000 goal. Now I can surpass that, or I could not do as well. But as of right now, I got around $200 invested, and the value is 563 plus the 20 SPS, so I'm 583. So roughly 3 times the amount I've just in 3 weeks. So we'll see if I can keep doing that. And the battling is for my people that I've recruited, they've tried a lot of battles. They haven't won too many. But the thing is, once you're below 100, it don't matter how much you lose. You can't go any lower. So you can always qualify. You have to be at least a bronze 3 to qualify for your 5 chests at the end of the season. And they do 2 seasons a month, every 15 days. And if you go higher, of course, you get more chests. And each of these chests can have cards in it, gold cards, credits, potions, all that stuff. So you really can't lose in the beginning. You can just keep playing. The only thing it's going to do is drop your capture rate, which is 1% per hour, which means that if I won any DC, I'm only going to get 76% of that. So if I won 100 DC, I'd get 76 DECs. And that's to keep people from being able to play it all day type thing. So anyway, that's it for today. Pretty much just going to concentrate on showing you how to make money, not play the game. There's plenty of other videos that if you want to really get into it on what cards are the best cards, how to play the game, the best strategy and all that. Mine is to recruit and show you how to make money, because that's what I'm doing online. This is one of the things. I have a whole bunch of links down below that I'm making money at. If I'm not making money at it, I don't advertise it and I don't try to recruit for it. But subscribe and like, and if you join on any of these programs to help me out, I appreciate it. But the goal is to get you to make money online and to learn how if you don't. And the gaming part of this is kind of new because of the NFTs, and it's only going to get better. There's going to be more and more games that you can make money. And as you see, I did not spend a lot of time. I spend about 15 minutes a day on this game. It's not something you have to log into and stay all day. It's just a matter of moving money around, buying the right cards, because now I got 60 DCs for my rentals. And that's about, for every 10, it's 3 cents. So I got 18 cents roughly. So I can go buy the cheap cards, or I can save it up and buy a more expensive card. Now remember, the cards, you can combine them and destroy the other ones, which makes the cards more valuable. So every day as people are doing that, the cards are becoming more and more rare just by the very nature of it. So that will increase the prices of your cards also. It's all just what your strategy is going to be. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.